to all my friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you 5 most effective yoga asana to reduce your belly fat and your thighs and butt fat. So let's get started. A set of 12 powerful yoga asanas that provide a good cardiovascular workout in the form of Surya namaskar. Breathing in, lift the arms up and back, keeping the bicep close to the ears. In this pose, the effort is to stretch the whole body up from the heels to the tip of the fingers. Now breathing out, bend forward from the waist, keeping the spine erect as you exhale completely. Bring the hands down to the floor beside the feet. Now breathing in, push your right leg back as far as possible. Bring the right knee to the floor and look up. As you breathe in, take the left leg back and bring the whole body in a straight line. Now slide forward and raise the chest up into the cobra posture. You may keep your elbows bent in this pose, the shoulders away from the ears, look up. It's called Bhujangasana, that means cobra pose. Now breathing out, lift the hips and the tailbone up, chest downwards in an inverted V posture. Titli asana. Sit in the Padmasana. Now position your legs in order that soles of your feet are touching one another. Your knees ought to be bent. Attempt to position your feet as near your pubic area as possible. In different words, attempt to pull your heels inward. Grab your feet together along with your hands and keep your spine straight as much as possible. Now breathe in and place a hand on both knees. Breathe out and move your knees up and down till your knees touch the ground. Breathe in and permit your knees to come back again. Breathe out and repeat this process 15 to 20 times. Third yoga is Macarasana. Lie down straight on your stomach and now join your elbows, making a stand and place your palm under the chin. During inhaling, first fold your one leg at a time and then both the legs together. During folding, your ankles should touch the hips. While exhaling, your feet should be straight and keep your head steady. Repeat this for 20 to 25 times. Kutti saundarya asana. Sit down properly and keep your spine erect. Keep the shoulders straight. Keep your legs apart from each other, equivalent to the shoulder. Now breathe in and touch your feet with your hand. And breathe out. You can repeat this yoga at least for 15 to 20 times. This yoga is really effective to reduce side fat. Now breathe properly and take rest. Dvichakrikasana. Just lie down and relax. Your body should be straight in a line. Your hands should be palm facing and your legs should be straight. Now lift your both legs and bend up at the knee. Bring your ankle near the hip and rotate same like as paddling bicycle. Repeat this exercise from 10 to 30 times as per the capacity. And then repeat this process in the backward motion also. Dvichakrikasan is the best exercise for reducing extra fat from belly, make the stomach firm. Cycling yoga pose improve the digestion, beneficial in acidity and constipation. Now relax and breathe. So friends, I hope you found my video very helpful. Please comment below that what you want me to do in my next session. If you like my video, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, take care. Namaste.